Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you the right way to check your engine oil level so you always get an accurate reading. A lot of people make small mistakes here, and that can lead to wrong results. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, always park on level ground when checking the oil. On flat surfaces, the oil in the pan settles evenly, giving an accurate dipstick reading. If the car is tilted, the oil pools to one side, making the level look too high or too low. Level ground ensures a true and reliable measurement. For the most accurate reading, timing matters. It's best to check your oil when the engine has not been running, such as before your first drive of the day. If the engine has been running, switch it off and give the oil enough time to settle back into the pan before pulling the dipstick. Next, pop the hood and find the dipstick. It usually has a brightly colored handle. Pull the dipstick out and wipe it clean with a cloth or paper towel. Then reinsert it fully and pull it back out again to check the level. Pull the dipstick back out again and check the markings at the tip. You'll see two marks on the dipstick, sometimes labeled low or minimum and full or maximum, sometimes just two lines. The oil level should be between them, ideally closer to the top mark. If the level is low, remove the filler cap and slowly add the recommended oil in small amounts, rechecking the dipstick to avoid overfilling. If it's above the top mark, there's too much oil in the system and it may need to be drained. Once the level is correct, make sure the dipstick is seated properly and the cap is tightened. Then close your hood and you're done. And that's it. Quick and easy. Remember, checking on a slope or too soon after shutting the engine off can give you false readings. Do it the right way, and you'll know exactly how healthy your engine oil is. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car care tips.